Constant Contact tutorial for beginners. How to use Constant Contact. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on Constant Contact, how to use Constant Contact for your branded template builders, for email marketing, and more. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you'll go to constantcontact.com and you'll get to this platform right here. With Constant Contact, we can create powerful emails without any limitation, and we will be able to use a lot of different features. So to get started with Constant Contact, what you need to do is you will go to this option right here with Buy Now, and you can choose from different pricing plans available on Constant Contact, or you can log in if you already have an account. We can also sign up for free, and you will be able to sign up with your email address or your Google account. Once you have Constant Contact, then you will get to the dashboard right here. Now, this is my dashboard on Constant Contact, and it has a lot of different tools. So right here, you can see at the top of my screen, I have my options such as campaigns, contact, reporting, sign-up forms, website and stores, social, integration, and we have more as well, such as library. So I will be able to create email marketing campaigns, create contacts, sign up forms, websites, and also work on my social with Constant. So let's go ahead and create with contact right here, because this is the first step that we do. Add different contacts to our Constant Contacts so that we can create email marketing campaigns and send email. So right here we have contacts. I will be able to check my subscribed, new subscribers, and overall a view of contacts. To create a new, you can click on add contact, or we can also create a list. So I'm going to click on add contact, and now we can actually type and paste contact, upload a file, add from integration, and create a new contact. Click right here. Now enter their email address. After email, click on continue, and then we can add their first name, last name, job title, and company. Similarly, we can add their birthday, physical address as well, and phone number. So once you add all of the details, you can click on create, and your new contact will be created. You can see right here, this is my contact. Now I can edit it out, or I can send them an email. So this way we create a contact, and now you can see I have two, but I can also import a list and add as many contacts as I want. So this is our contact. Now let's move on to the campaigns, and let me show you how you create a campaign using Constant Contact. So we have campaigns right here. Click on create, choose your campaign type. We have email, email automation, social post, ad, event, survey pages, and landing page, also website and store. So we have a lot of different campaign options right here on Constant Contact, and you don't need to go to different platforms at the same time to create a campaign for social media, a campaign for website. You can just use one platform, Constant Contact. So I'm going to create a simple email marketing campaign for now and select this one. Then we can select from multiple templates available on Constant Contact. So what I like to do sometimes is that I go with the template because it gives you a very professional campaign and you don't have to start from the scratch. And the templates have a lot of different options, and they're all customizable. You can customize everything you want. So you can create any type of campaign. You can see right here, we have newsletters, we have class schedules, and we have gift cards. We have for occasions, listing, welcome, fundraisers, all of these different, templates are available. So what I'm going to do is for now, I'm going to go ahead and select maybe this one, which is going to be a welcome email, and we can customize it, of course. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this one. So this is how you create a campaign in Constant Contact. And now let me show you the different tools. You can see we have a build option, and it's a simple drag and drop. So what you do is you have this email right here, and I can actually customize it and add different elements. For example, an image, drag and drop where you want to add it right here. Perfect. An image will be added. We have button option, dividers, spacer, click on more. We have social, videos, and read more. So you can add links, you can add buttons, you can add image, video, anything you like to your campaigns. Then we have action blocks, different blocks that we can add that actually allow you to perform an action within your email, such as Shopify, a poll. Then we have WooCommerce, and then we also get different layouts. So you can select the layout of your campaign as well. Then we have different images, the images that you have added, you can upload a media right here on Constant Contact. Of course, you will upload your images, you will upload your videos to add to your campaign. And then we have design, and you can see this is the background design. If you want to change it, you can just go ahead and do that, and you can select any color, and you can select inner design, outer design. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with this one, and for the inner, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with the light color. So this is how you like customize your email. You can customize font, you can customize the style, and this is our main information such as from and reply. You can also edit that out. Subject is going to be thank you for joining our community, but I can change anything. So we can of course edit this text right here. We can edit the logo. You just replace it. If you want to edit the text, click on the text, enter your text here. You can just backspace and enter your text. When it comes to an image, click on it, replace the image, or add a link. So this is how you create a campaign using Constant Contact. Now I have to cover the whole platform, so we'll move on, and I will click on continue from here and save this right here, this campaign, and I will work it on later. Moving on, we have other options such as reporting that will allow me to get all the reports and insights to my campaigns that I'm running on social media, that I'm running on my website, and that I'm actually sending to people. So I don't have to go to Google Analytics or any other platform to go to actually get reporting. Then we have sign up forms. Of course, it will allow me to create sign up forms really easily with a simple drag and drop editor. Same goes with websites and stores. We can create our own website and store with Constant Contact with a simple drag and drop editor that allows us to add any kind of element to our any kind of website and store. So we also get the social option. We don't need to go to social media and to create social media ads to any other campaign. So Constant Contact is all about different contacts and campaigns, and this whole all-in-one platform that allows you to save time and create professional sign-up forms, contacts, campaigns, and websites, so that you don't have to go to different platforms, and you will eliminate the hassle of back and forth going to all different platforms and creating email. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. And I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use Constant Contact. Signing up process is also really easy. You will be able to create successful email marketing campaigns online. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.